Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. If you're tired of daily poha upma recipes, do try this recipe. This is called veggie pancake. Bunch of nutrient vegetables, fresh vegetables. Use suji. So let's check out the ingredients and stay tuned for the recipe. So let's make quick and easy breakfast recipe, suji omelette or veg omelette. So here I have taken 1 cup of suji and half a cup of yogurt, vegetables, colorful vegetables, taken 1 tomato, 1 white onion, bell pepper and carrot chops, broccoli, green beans, coriander and green chili. Take whichever vegetables you like, or you can simply get all these 4 ingredients and make it. And here to get some crispiness, I have added 3 tablespoons of rice flour. This is totally optional, but if you have it home, then you can use it. Salt to taste, approximately 1 tablespoon. Pinch of cumin seeds, again this is optional but it gives beautiful flavor. And 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, just for some color. And I have oil. Right, so we are simply going to mix all these ingredients in this bowl of suji and yogurt. Here you go, give that a good mix. And we will of course add about 1 cup of water. So after mixing the water, this is the type of consistency you see. Basically need pouring consistency, just like uttapam or omelette. So whomever doesn't eat egg omelette, this is the best breakfast recipe for them. And otherwise also everybody can enjoy this. Bunch of vegetables, lots of nutrients, and very healthy recipe. So let's start with the next step. I have a skillet and added 1 tablespoon of oil. Let's pour this batter. It will be like a thick pancake, like veggie pancake we call it out. Let's cover it for about 1 minute. Alright, and then about 2 minutes, this is how you will see. And time to flip it. There you go. Look at this beautiful crust. Nice and crispy. Let it cook for about 2 minutes more on the other side. And this veggie pancake or veggie omelette is ready. And here you go. My other side is completely ready as well. This is ready to be served now. And this is my second one. The trick is when you pour the batter, turn the heat to low and then cover it for 2 minutes. And then once you see this texture, then turn the heat to medium high so that you get that nice crispy layer. Once you see the sides are turning brown, just loosen these edges like this. Just like that, so that it's easier to flip. Other side. And here you go guys, this is the beautiful veggie pancake with dollop of butter and my favorite hot and sweet tomato chili sauce. This is gonna be excellent source of vitamins, protein and bunch of nutrients here. So enjoy this hot breakfast, and I hope you like this recipe. Stay tuned for my next one. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to see my future recipes. Enjoy this yummy veggie pancakes for your breakfast tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.